Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Adobe Illustrator for Pantone libraries, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe account. Locate the window menu at the top of the screen. Click on Window to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Swatches. The Swatches panel will appear, showing your current color options. In the Swatches panel, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. This will open a menu with several options. Look for Open Swatch Library in the menu. Hover over this option to reveal a sub-menu. Find Color Books within the sub-menu. In the Color Books sub-menu, you will see various Pantone options. Click on the desired Pantone library that you want to use. The selected Pantone library will open in a new Swatches panel. You can now browse through the available Pantone colors. To add a color to your Swatches panel, simply click on it. It will be added to your main Swatches panel for easy access. If you need to create your own Pantone library, return to the Swatches panel. Click on the plus sign at the bottom of the Swatches panel. Name your new swatch library and press OK. You can now add custom Pantone colors to this library as needed. To ensure your colors are accurate, verify your color settings. Go to Edit on the top menu and select Color Settings. Review the settings and adjust if necessary. With these steps, you have successfully authorized your Adobe Illustrator for Pantone libraries. You can now work efficiently with Pantone colors in your designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.